Hello, this is Liz Johnson, Formatting Advisor for the Graduate School. I'm going to talk with you today about document accessibility and how to use our Word templates to help achieve this. What is accessibility when it comes to documents? Accessibility means that files such as Word docs and PDFs can be read by screen readers and other assistive technologies. And we can do this by doing a few things to our document to make it structured in such a way that a computer can read it. You can read more about it and the required tasks on our accessibility page. I want to walk you through right now how to use the Word templates to help jumpstart the accessibility for your ETD. This can also help with some of the regular formatting requirements as well. I'll start walking you through the process now. Download the appropriate copy of our template from our website. We'll be working in Word, so if you need an updated version of Word, just be sure to snag a copy from UIT. You're also free to use LaTeX instead if you're familiar with that. Okay, when you have your copy downloaded, go ahead and fill out the front matter with your information. We have the title page, copyright page, dedication and acknowledgments, table of contents, list of figures and list of tables. These are all in here, pre-formatted for you. The page numbers are also set if they downloaded right for your computer. Then we get to the body of the ETD. I assume most of you have been working on your document somewhere else, so you can go ahead and delete all of the information here up to the references side of the page, and make sure to start on a new page so you can insert page break here to move the references side down to the next page. So the next step is to copy your information and paste it into the template, matching the text as close as possible. And I have different text here, so I'm going to go ahead and make it all normal and add a first line indent. So for the headings, you can go ahead and highlight the heading and apply the appropriate style. So I'm going to apply the chapter title here. It should also be uppercase. I'm going to make it all uppercase. For this first level heading, I'm just going to highlight it, look for first level, and it goes and does all the formatting above and below the headings. I have a style for figures too, so there's a figure caption below. I'll fix that for you. And do another chapter title here. Another first level heading. Second level heading. Now the third level headings are a little bit different because the text has to be in line with the heading. So you can choose the third level heading when it's on its own. Click after and then click Control Alt Enter, and it will bring up that text up to the same line. So we also have a style for if you have a long quote too, that'll format it for you. And we're using style headings because it'll make your ETD much more accessible for screen readers once you convert it to a PDF, because it creates bookmarks that the screen reader can easily organize and look through. And there are some other accessibility tasks that you can do too, such as adding alt text images, properly formatting your tables, and creating document properties. So real fast, we'll add some alt text to this picture here. I just right click it, click alt text, and type a short description. And so that way, if a screen reader comes across it, it'll know what the picture is, and it won't just skip over it. And you'll also have to set some of the document properties as well, such as the title, the author. You'll have to do this once it's a PDF too. And lastly, you'll have to export it properly so that the PDF has bookmarks. As you can see, it's now easily accessible here. And if you have any further questions about accessibility or formatting, we do have a formatting FAQ that talks about how to do some of these things. Microsoft also has a bunch of great short tutorials if you're interested. So we're still figuring out the best way to create accessible ETDs for MSU ourselves, so please let the formatting advisor know if you have any suggestions or questions, and we hope that we're able to introduce you to formatting professional writing as well as helping you be more aware of creating accessible documents in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck.